Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel for another vlog. Today we are going to do some fun stuff. I'm going to be going over to the store once my friend gets here, and we're going to be attempting to make mini gingerbread loaves in our little Ray Dunn mini loaf pans. And we're also going to be making reindeer snacks as well, which I got a few recipes from one of the girls that I follow on Instagram. So I'm going to take a look at those and see if we like any of them or if any of them sound good. So I'm pretty much just going to be bringing you guys throughout the day and letting you guys know how our gingerbread loaves come out, because I have a feeling, I'm hoping, crossing my fingers that they come out good, but I am definitely no baker whatsoever, so we shall see how they end up coming out. And I will also leave the recipes that we use in today's video down below for you guys if you are interested. I did have some appointments this morning. It is Monday and my day off. So I have physical therapy, which I am going to be doing an update video for you guys soon, hopefully, but I am having to go to physical therapy twice a week now for, I'm not exactly sure how long. This is the second week that I'm doing it. I did also go to the eye doctor today, which I am very happy because my vision has changed a little bit, but I still don't have to wear contacts or glasses all the time. I just have to wear them while I'm driving. So thankful for that. I am also going to be seeing if my friend that's coming over can take my picture at Target, because I will be doing a giveaway for you guys. I am hoping to get it up the day that this video goes live. So if I do, I will have a link to my Instagram post in the description box down below. I will be giving away a Target gift card to one of you guys. So if you are interested, make sure that you click the link down below. And if I, for some reason, don't have it posted, I will just leave my link to my Instagram so you can follow me and keep an eye out for when I do post it. I did also go to Bath & Body Works, which you can see the bag sitting over there. So I am quickly going to go through the few candles that I got on Saturday. Me and my mom went after I got off of work, and we went for the $9 candles, I think. Were they $9 or $9.50? One of the two, not exactly sure. I definitely don't understand why people went to the store at 5 o'clock. Like, me and my mom went at 4, and there was still so many candles. I got everything that I wanted, so I think it's a little ridiculous that people went at 5 a.m. There was a big sign outside that said that they opened at 5 a.m., which is just way too much for me. I would never do for candles, but hey, some people are kind of crazy about them. I only got 4, I believe 4 or 5, not exactly sure, but I will show you guys right now so you guys can see what I got. So here is the massive bag. And inside, I have 2 of these wallflowers. So I got 2 of the fresh balsam wallflowers. My mom actually got a bunch of them to do like the 5 for something. Moving on to the candles, I did get 5 of them. So it looks like they did give me a coupon in here. The first candle that I got is the Winter Candy Apple. I really liked the packaging of this one. It goes with my house really well. And the inside is just white. I really like the way that this one smells, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. Then I went ahead and picked up 2 of the fresh balsam candles. These ones I feel like are such a staple for the winter time. My little puppy's just kind of chilling back there watching us go through the candles. So I did get 2 of these. I love the little wreath on the front too. So the other one is actually right there, so I'm not gonna take it out. But I did also get the Midnight Blue Citrus. This one is another staple for me. I feel like I can burn this year round. It's one of my favorite scents. And then the last one that I got, I do not remember. Oh, it was 'Tis the Season. 'Tis the Season is also one of my favorite smells. I really like the way that it makes my house smell, so I went ahead and picked one of those up. So those are all of the candles that I got. You guys will have to let me know which you guys got from Bath & Body Works in the comments down below if you guys did go. So I think my friend is about to get here in a few minutes, so I'm going to eat something quick, and then we will probably vlog a little bit at Target. If not, we will vlog when we get back. All right, so we just got back from the store. I did not vlog at all while we were out there, but we got everything that we needed for the gingerbread loaf, and then we're gonna make this too for Our cute little reindeer snack sellers. She has the little jingle one, and then I have to take mine out, but mine's right there. So we're gonna make some boozy hot chocolates. I wanted to show you guys what I do to make it. You can usually just get Bailey's, which I know a lot of people do, but I actually tried Fireball for the first time a couple days ago and I really liked it. So just get hot chocolate mix, obviously, and then you can mix however much you want in it. I do 8 ounces of water in the cups, and I usually do like probably 1.5 of those. So if you guys have ever had boozy hot chocolate, you guys should let me know what you put in yours down below, because I've tried a few and I think this one's my favorite. So if you guys haven't tried it, you totally should. Okay, so we have the gingerbread little mixture mixed up. This stuff, you guys, I don't know if you've ever used this, molasses. This stuff smells freaking disgusting. It smells like really gross soy sauce or something. So if you've ever used it, let me know, because it's freaking disgusting. Does it say how full to fill it?
It doesn't say on this. Didn't you say your mom said just
like 3/4? Yeah, let's do that. I feel like we're gonna have kind of a lot left over.
I feel like you need to. Because it'll set.
I feel like there's like some white stuff that is not mixed in.
Try to eat it.
It's probably gonna taste disgusting. Eat it. Was it really gross? We were talking and we said that this is like the most disgusting smelling batter that like I've ever made when baking. Like usually you lick the bowl after. This is disgusting. Like, and it's 100% the molasses, like nothing else in there. Well, and probably the ginger. The ginger was pretty gross too.
I definitely feel like it was just the molasses. Because that's the whole entire taste that I just got.
So you actually tasted it?
Yeah.
Oh god. Hopefully they come out decent. I'm like always scared putting raisin in the oven.
I'm scared that they're gonna
like reform. I've heard that I've never used like a colored one before. I heard they fade, so guess we'll see. Okay, so our gingerbread loaves have come out of the oven. They actually look halfway decent. We're gonna try them in a second, but we finished our reindeer snacks and they look so cute. Even though we kind of failed, which you guys probably didn't even notice. So it called for brownie mix and we didn't realize that it said 1 cup. And we literally put the whole damn bag. So we had to throw out like a lot, and now the cereal is like super coated, but it's okay. It still looks cute and it's pretty good. and it looks adorable. All right, so my friend Priscilla just left. It is now 5:30, and we had a whole entire day full of baking some stuff, making our reindeer snacks, which is super, super good. Like I said, we had a total fail, but I think they turned out pretty good. I think it looks really cute inside of the little cellar. I'm going to be putting that right on the center of my island. I actually added this cute little candle holder that I got from Bath and Body Works. I think my mom got this for me like a couple years ago. It has two little penguins on this side. It's like a snow globe, which I absolutely love snow globes. And then you're supposed to put a candle there, but I actually have been putting this cute little cellar on it right in the middle. And I felt like it was a cute little display there. I actually haven't shown you guys what my mom did for me. It's super adorable what she did. I'll show you guys. So it's in this box over here in the corner. She gave this to me at the beginning of December. It's the 25 days of Christmas that she did for me. She gave me a cute little card that was adorable, and she pretty much put presents in here for every day of December. So I am obviously not even halfway done with it yet, but I absolutely love everything, and it's such a thoughtful gift. I absolutely love my mom. She is the sweetest person ever. But I am going to go to one of the girls' house that I am picking up a mug from. I mentioned in the haul video that I filmed yesterday, which I think is going to be going up after this, I filmed my Rae Dunn haul for you guys, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But I did mention in that video that I am trading one of my mugs for a red cocoa mug, and I went to go drop that mug off to have it transported up to Denver, which is where the girl that I'm trading with lives, and I didn't realize that my mug was actually there. So I'm gonna go pick that up today. Right now, I think I'm gonna wait a little bit just because it's like rush hour right now, and I don't really feel like dealing with that, but I may just deal with it and go. I don't know if I'm gonna go over to my parents' house, but my mom did invite me over for dinner tonight, so I will call her and kind of see what's going on with that. I was able to get a picture at Target. It was a very awkward experience because if you guys didn't know, I am a very awkward person. So I find a lot of things awkward. But me and my friend were able to get kind of a cute picture. I think it turned out really cute. So that will be going up. It will be a $75 gift card to Target. I will be keeping it up for, I want to say 2 weeks. I don't know when I'm gonna aim to get this up. Christmas is almost exactly 2 weeks away, so I was thinking of doing it on Wednesday, putting this video live and then posting the giveaway on Instagram on Wednesday as well, so that would be the 11th. So I thought about doing that so that I could keep it up for 2 weeks and then give you guys a $75 gift card to Target on Christmas so that you guys could get it on Christmas and it'd be like a little Christmas gift to you guys. So that is enough. I feel like I'm out of breath from rambling. I need to wash my hair tonight because it's absolutely disgusting. It's so greasy and oily. So I'm gonna go do that, and I will see you guys when I get back here. I just got home from picking up my mug. I didn't end up going over to my parents' house because I have to take a shower still, and I would like to just relax and watch my new show that I'm watching on Netflix, which I will share with you guys in just a second. But I have my red cocoa mug. It is so, so pretty. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I finally have a red cocoa mug. I think I am going to sell my red ho 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 mug. I definitely do not need 7 red mugs. Anyways, enough of me rambling. I'm going to end the vlog here. I am just going to be making some dinner, which is totally not healthy whatsoever. I love these cream cheese wontons that are from Target. They are so freaking good, you guys. So if you ever have seen them and are wondering, they are freaking delicious. But I wanted to share with you guys the show that I've been watching. So this is a show that I started the other day. It's called Dirty John. I absolutely love it. It's based on a true story. So if you guys have been looking for a new good show to watch, it's like a suspenseful one, definitely check this one out. So me and the puppies are gonna eat some dinner. I need to feed them as well. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we will see you guys in our next one. Say bye, stay marvelous.